If you feel like you're struggling to match the pitch, don't be discouraged. It can take a lot of repetition. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Olivia Peck, your local millennial voice teacher. This video is for lower voices who are working on their ear training. This is a beginner level. All we're working on today is matching pitch using the do, re, mi's or solfège. I'm going to show you a pattern on the screen. You are going to sing it, then I will sing it. See how close you can get to what you're supposed to be singing. This is the type of thing you would do every single day in choir. So that repetition really is super important. It does take some time. I wanted to do a video that was more voice-based and not just the sound of a piano playing the scale. Sometimes it's easier to match to a voice. We're going to be singing in E major, starting on E3. First, just sing the scale. Ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now you try it all by yourself. Here we go. Here's do. 1, 2, ready, go. I'm going to show you a pattern on the screen. Do your best to sing it, and then I will sing it. You can see how close you were. Here's the first one. Here's do. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, do, re, re, mi. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, re, mi, re, do. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, re, mi, fa, so. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, 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 do. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, re, mi, mi, mi. 1, 2, ready, go. Mi, re, do, do, do. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, mi, so, so, so. 1, 2, ready, go. So, fa, mi, re, do. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, so, do, do, do. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, re, mi, do, do. I hope this video helps you practice. Good luck. If you have any questions, comments, or grievances, feel free to leave them in the comments. I go live almost every week to answer your singing questions, so I would love to hear what you're wondering. If you would like to sign up for a lesson with me, just go to my website. The link is in the description. I'd love to meet you. Talk to you later. Bye!